Unlock legendary sharpness and take control of your focus with the Sony A1 using the power of Backbutton Focus. Let's dive into setting up Backbutton Focus on your Sony A1, a technique that separates your focusing action from your shutter release for ultimate precision. First, we need to unassign the focus function from your shutter button. Navigate to the camera's menu, find the customizing button section, and select the shutter button assignment. Ensure that AF is assigned here. This way, half pressing the shutter only initiates autofocus. Now, let's assign your focus to a dedicated button on the back of the camera. Go back to customizing button and find the AF MF button setting. This is often the dedicated AFON button. Select AFW, O shutter, or a similar option that means autofocus. With that shutter button, this is the magic button that will now control your focusing. With this setup, your thumb will now be responsible for all focusing. Simply press and hold the AFON button to acquire focus, and then recompose and press the shutter button halfway to lock focus or take your shot. This separation allows you to continuously focus on a moving subject while recomposing, dramatically improving your hit rate and achieving the tack-sharp images you desire. For even greater control, experiment with your AF area settings. Options like zone, tracking, or wide can work beautifully with Backbutton Focus, allowing you to keep your subject locked in from any angle. Mastering Backbutton Focus on your Sony A1 will transform your shooting experience, giving you unparalleled control and unlocking the full potential of your incredible camera.